As you can see, there's plenty of room for the kids to run and play. Nice and shady. Horseshoes pits up there. Look at that little sea-doo. So one of the advantages of this lake is they actually rent boats. So if you want to rent jet skis, pontoon boats while you're here, you can rent them right down here at the marina, and we'll actually go down to the marina here shortly. We've caught a lot of catfish off of this pier right here. We shared many nights on this pier, haven't we?
Yes, we have.
I like it.
I do too.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, baby.
So let's go on around here. Give you another look at the water. And we'll run over towards the marina. Must be having a pretty good get-together over there. A big tent in the background. Something about this lake and rocks. They have surrounded, I think, about the whole lake with rocks, and I guess that protects the erosion. Pretty good sized lake.
This lake is cool. As it runs off of the New River.
Ah, so the New River.
The New River actually makes this lake.
I gotcha.
It makes this lake a little bit cooler than your average.
Good, clean, clear water, though. Don't you think?
Yeah. Water's a whole lot cleaner here.
All right, shall we go up the hill? Alrighty. We're down just to the right of shelter number 1. This is one of their fishing piers that they got. Guess we can just veer on right-handed and go right back up to the car. But you have multiple places to fish on this lake. Nice fishing pier.
You got to see the lake. Yeah, it is kind of funny. Like, what